In this video, I'm going to reveal the fastest way to build an email list for affiliate marketing. Now, this is the exact system that I used to build my first 10,000 email subscribers. And you want to stay tuned also because I'll reveal the #1 beginner mistake you must avoid. Now, why should you listen to me? Maybe you just stumbled on this video. You're not one of the many amazing subscribers that I have. I've been doing this for 10 years, affiliate marketing. So I've personally generated thousands of targeted subscribers, and I've also been blessed to convert those subscribers into multiple six figures, and it was earned through email-driven funnels like what I'm going to be sharing with you in this video. And I've used this exact system to literally automate making affiliate commissions. So if you love the idea of sleeping and still making money, then you're going to want to pay close attention. Now, why does this matter, right? Why do we need an email list? And why do we need to use this system? So first off, without a list, you're going to have inconsistent sales. So one week you may make a lot of sales, the next week you're not, because your traffic is going to be going up and down. Maybe you get a lot of traffic and you don't. With a list, you get predictable income, because you have a list of people that you can always send an email and promote whatever you want. And there's actually a hidden reason list building compounds incredibly fast that I'm going to be revealing as you keep watching. Now, here is your 4-step list building system. This is what I'm sharing with you today, what I personally use. Step 1 is going to be identifying your winning offer. What product are you going to be promoting as an affiliate to make the most amount of money? Step 2 is building a simple lead magnet. This is a free thing that we're going to give away in exchange for a person's email address. Step 3, this is setting up your landing page. How do you easily and naturally create a page to capture their email? And then step number 4 is driving targeted traffic and clicks to that funnel. Now, I'm going to go deeper on the first one, okay? So we want to identify your winning offer. So choose one affiliate product. You don't want to choose a lot. You don't want to have this whole catalog of things because it's just too confusing. If you want to really succeed, choose one affiliate product first. Could be from ClickBank, Digistore, Impact. These are just different affiliate marketplaces. We want to then check the demand on that product using Google Trends and YouTube search volume. Now, the reason you want to do that is you want to make sure before you decide to promote this, you want to understand, is this actually a popular product? So we want to see, is it trending? Then we want to validate the commissions. Are we going to be able to make money promoting this by looking at if other people are making money promoting this? So we can look at the gravity score, the leaderboard rankings. Now, on the next slide, I'm going to show you one of the biggest traps people fall into right here. And that is they don't build a lead magnet. Now, that's step number 2. We're going to solve one specific problem that your offer solves. So let's say you're promoting a weight loss product or offer, and the entire weight loss product is going to teach people how to lose 10 pounds from home. What you want to do is give away something free that is just one smaller thing in the bigger product. So for that example, it could be, the top 5 exercises that you can do from home. Right? Now, you're not getting into the eating, you're not getting into the actual nutrition or any of the other stuff on exactly how the product does it. You're just giving them a small thing. Now, it could be a 1 PDF page, it could be a checklist, it could be a quick start guide, just a very short thing. It could be like a Google document. And you want to make it instantly usable so they get a quick win. Okay, so it's like the top 5, things or whatever. I'm going to share with you another example in a second. And yeah, this is what I'm going to get into right now. So this is right here an example of a really good lead magnet. Now, I found this on Google, but imagine this person's promoting a product that, let's say, teaches people how to do content marketing, okay, or how to be a full-time blogger. Now, if that's the main product, this would be a great lead magnet because this is a cheat sheet that's just giving away headline hacks. A headline is just one part of the entire blogging thing. So this is going to attract leads. That's the purpose. We're giving away this to attract leads, people that are interested in this thing. So we're waiving this free thing. When they get it, we know, oh, okay, this person's probably open to buying this product because they're interested in this little thing that's leading to the product. Now, here's how to set up your landing page. Okay, you want to use a clear headline at the top of the page stating the benefit of that free lead magnet. Okay, and again, I'll share an example. You can use bullet points. You don't always have to, showing the quick win they'll get from that magnet. And you want to have a single CTA, one call to action, no distractions. Okay, so often it's just click this button. If a pop-up appears asking for their email, or it can just be the box for their email, and that's the one call to action, is getting their email. Now in a moment, I'm going to share the optimization trick that completely boosts conversions to make this even easier for you. Now here's again the same example, but you can see the title, okay? And then there's the button, which is the call to action. Now, step 4 is once you have that set up, you have the landing page, you have the thing you're giving them, now we need to drive targeted traffic to that little funnel we've created in order to generate leads, in order to generate an email list. So pick one channel, don't try to spread yourself out, pick YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, or search engine optimization. You want to use content on those different platforms that tease the lead magnet solution. So this is just kind of, dangling a carrot, like, hey, we're not giving away all the secrets on these platforms. We're just building interest to direct people to our funnel. Now, we want to track clicks, opt-ins, and follow-up emails. Usually, I'll share how to do that incredibly easy, even if you're not technical. And next, I'm going to reveal the shortcut that makes all this completely easy. But first, you want to avoid these mistakes, okay? Picking a niche or niche that's too broad or saturated, okay? The riches are in the niches. We want to choose a smaller subset of people. So if you're in the weight loss niche, rather than just doing all weight loss, you could do keto, or you could do muscle building, okay? So you're picking one subsection of that entire niche to actually promote to. Okay, you don't want to also create a complex funnel before you validate your offer. So we want to promote it with a very simple funnel. Make sure we're actually able to make sales, okay, or at least get leads. Because what we're doing is building this email list and then following up through emails, selling whatever we're promoting. And then often people don't send consistent follow-up emails. You do want to send at least 7 in a row, okay, 1 per day, when someone first opts in. Now, to implement this, you'll need an email marketing tool, often called an email autoresponder. Now, this tool is what's going to allow you to do all of this, allow you to collect the email, allow you to handle automations, landing pages, etc. Now, doing this manually would take hours and kill conversions, but I'm going to show you the tool that simplifies everything. Now, here's why I use what's called GetResponse, which is the tool. This is the email autoresponder that's been around for years. 1, automation workflows deliver emails at the perfect time. So you don't have to manually send emails. People will go to it and receive those emails. Also, it's a landing page builder. Okay, so it allows you to build different landing pages for these lead magnets, and you can deploy them virtually instantly. There's an AI email generator, which helps you write those emails. And then it starts at just $19 a month with unlimited emails. So here's how to get started with GetResponse so you can implement what I taught. First off, there's going to be a link directly below in the description. All you have to do is click that link and then go ahead and create your account. Now, once you create your account, you're going to set up your landing page using their templates. You'll see inside once you join, it's very, very simple. Now, you're also going to plug in the steps from this video and launch your funnel. And this setup really gives you a huge head start. So here's the final recap. Number 1 is you want to choose a validated offer, okay? You want to create a simple lead magnet. You want to build a clean landing page, and then you want to drive targeted traffic. Last but certainly not least, you want to go to the link below so you can set this up with GetResponse virtually almost instantly in some cases. So thank you so much for watching, my friend. Subscribe if you're not already, and stay tuned to my next video where I'm going to go even deeper on affiliate marketing.